We've got a couple of hours of flood to get us down toward Felixstowe. So we're on the approaches to Langard Point, which is you round that corner to get into the docks. And we're heading for the Naze over there, and we're coming up to high water, so the flood will end and we're going to have a foul tide down the Wallet. But we're going to tuck in as close as we can to the Essex coast and stay out of the current as much as possible. We won't stay out of the current, but we will get much less if we're close inshore. So that's the plan. Let's see if it pans out. We're heading for the Blackwater. Coming up to Walton Pier. So we're just passing Walton Pier, quite close into the shore, because we must certainly have a foul tide now. We're just eking out every last ounce of speed here, and we've got about 5 knots over the deck, off the beam. But we're still moving. Chevaux de Frise Point approaches. I think that's Thistle. Under 4 knots of wind over the deck, but we're still moving, making 3 knots through the water. A little bit less over the ground with this foul tide, but the cruising chute there doing its job very well. Just coming up to Clacton Pier. There's Bradwell. So a long day, foul tide, light airs, but ably assisted by the cruising chute and the mainsail for the last couple of hours. Still making slow progress. Just taking the main down, starting to shadow the cruising chute. That's going to give us a much bigger lift into the Blackwater. So we aborted the Blackwater. I didn't like arriving in the dark, and there's lots of marks in the Blackwater that can't be seen, that are unlit, and so we opted for the Colne.